In the cool of the evening when everything is getting kind of groovy, you call me up and ask me would I like to go with you and see a